Brethren, Rudy, wherever you go, may you always return to one another in your togetherness. Donde quiera que ustedes vayan, que siempre vuelvan uno al otro por su unión. May you do find in each other the love with which all men and women love. Que ustedes los encuentren el amor por cuanto a las parejas desean. May you grow in understanding and in compassion. Que ustedes crezcan la comprensión y la compasión. May the home that you establish be such a place of sanctuary for all who visit and their friends. Que el hogar que ustedes establezcan está lugar de santuario, que todo lo que visiten encuentren ahí un amigo. Y que Dios los bendiga hoy para siempre. May the Lord bless you and keep you. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our brethren, in the presence of God, your family, and friends, you have spoken the words and performed the rites which unite your lives. You have declared before all of us your love for each other. You have made your special promises to each other, which have been symbolized by the joining of hands, the taking of vows, the giving and receiving of rings. Ustedes han declarado ante nosotros su amor y han hecho sus promesas especiales que han sido simbolizadas por la unión de las manos, haciendo sus votos, intercambiando anillos. By the authority vested in me, por la autoridad conferida en mí, it is my greatest joy and privilege. Es un placer y un gran privilegio declararos marido y mujer. I pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal your